zucchini boats. Keto friendly, low carb. Yum. It's got bacon and cheese, and we're going to serve it with the pizza sauce. It's a good side or an appetizer. Made in the air fryer. Do you have one of these? It's an air fryer. I've got a really yummy side dish. Keto friendly, low carb, really easy to make, and it goes in the air fryer. Let's get going on that. So I've got a small zucchini, all cleaned and washed, and I'm just going to take the end off like that. And I'm going to split it down the center. What we want to do is take some pork rinds and crush them with the glass like that. What we're going to do is take some mayonnaise and we're going to paint the zucchini to make that stick. Just a little bit like that. I'm just going to take this and just push it right down into the pork rinds. Kind of get it nice and see how it sticks on like that. And I'll do that to the other one. For seasoning, I like to put a little bit of garlic salt on the top and a little bit of Italian seasoning. I'm going to put some bacon on because everything's better with bacon. Just like that, just kind of spread them out. In we go like that so it doesn't fall off. And this one just goes right beside like this. Then we're going to put some cheese on top. You can see in the down shot there, the cheese going on. And we're going to cook this at 325 degrees for about 20 minutes. I mean, when it's done, you can tell. So that's what it looks like on the down shot. So we stick this in. Air fryers are fun. Really good for chicken wings and yeah, chicken legs, really fast. I like this one because it's just got a dial. It's like you don't even need to think about it. Just go like this. It's going. Yeah, that's how easy is that? I'll see you in 20 minutes. Okay, let's see if these are done. Oh, they look good. So you just take like a little knife like this, a sharp knife, paring knife, and just slowly push it in. Yeah, that's finished. This one, come on, you can do it. This is a homemade pizza sauce. That's really good. That's a fast little side. Thanks for watching.